What you see here is my generator shelter, which started out life as a Suncoast yard shed. In that shed, of course, I had to add louvers to get rid of the heat from the inside, and the exhaust that feeds out onto a little fireproof piece on the asphalt so it doesn't melt the asphalt when it's running. And of course, if you look here, you can see where I have it grounded. Also, as you look at this, you could see that I have built in a small thermometer so that I can see the temperature at any time. And I also have a solar battery charger. Okay, you can see the generator here is a 8750 watt Harbor Freight generator. Does a pretty good job. It's capable of generating for the whole house. If you look here, you can see the line comes out, goes over to the side of the generator, and I have my generator cable hanging on the side. Now that feeds into this connector on the side of the house, and I'll show you how it's hooked up inside in just a little bit. Back to the generator again. Let's see, where's my choke here? Open the louvers. And you can notice that the sound from this thing isn't too bad once it's all closed up. Okay, here you see the panel. You'll notice that it's labeled for a portable generator. And what happens is over here the 10 gauge wiring comes in and comes into this breaker right here. This is for the generator. And then what you do is you turn off all the circuit breakers and close the main circuit breaker here, and that allows this breaker to be turned on, and you backfeed into these circuits, and you can one at a time turn things back on, or the whole house if you wish. The reason for this is you don't want to be putting 220 volt power in here and having it go back out into the lines where somebody could get electrocuted. So this works quite well. Pretty simple to use. Well, that's it for this video. Please subscribe and share and like the video. Thanks a lot.